Previously on WeWanderlustCo. Last week turned into something way more special than we ever expected. We were just dropping off some pet food at a local animal sanctuary when we met Jeff, an absolute legend who's single-handedly caring for nearly 100 animals. Spending time with Jeff and his furry family was honestly the highlight of our Langkawi trip so far. Now, if you caught last week's video, you know the sanctuary is facing some challenges. But today, we're switching gears for an epic island hopping tour. We're talking multiple pristine islands, giant eagles diving for food right in front of us, and we're heading to this incredible geoforest park where we'll have our pick of water activities. Let's get into the vlog. Morning. Today we are going on an island hopping tour around Langkawi. We are going to be hitting up 3 different islands, hopefully get to see like a large body of fresh water around the ocean, get to see some beautiful eagles up close, and then also go to one of the whitest sand beaches around here.
That actually takes after a food. It's named after a food.
We'll leave that till later. So join us today as we explore 3 of the different islands around Langkawi.
Let's go.
So we're all now walking over to the boat. It's a beautiful sunny day. It hasn't been like this in like a couple of weeks because I don't know if you guys know, we are here in Langkawi during monsoon season, so it has been raining. Just
it's been cloudy, it's been raining.
Spontaneously, so it's a beautiful day.
Yeah. We got a lot of seating space on the boat.
Yeah.
Nice organized.
And they have life jackets.
Yeah.
And there's a lot more people coming in.
Yeah. But it feels nice on this Monday morning.
Yes, calm Monday morning. We thought
it's only 9:30 right now.
Yeah. Most of the time we do DIY tours, like we do it ourselves.
Yeah.
But if we ever book a tour, we try to do it during the weekday if we can. But that didn't matter because it's still busy.
Yeah.
So this is one of the most popular tours here in Langkawi. So if you come here, this is one of the tours that you have to do. It's super inexpensive. I'll leave all the details linked down below.
Sure. The boat is like literally tilted this high. That's pretty fast.
Yeah, but it's still smooth.
Really smooth, yeah. Really nice, calm morning.
Super smooth ride. We didn't take any like motion sickness meds. So it's going pretty good for now. Where's your bag? Just stopped at Basa Island. This is called
The white rice sand beach.
it's actually the wet rice.
Wet rice sand beach. Okay.
Possibly because the sand kind of feels like wet rice when you're walking on it.
Yeah.
But we are actually doing a counterclockwise tour, guys.
Yeah.
We did not expect this. First, we were thinking that we were going to go to like the freshwater island.
Yeah.
But we have actually arrived at our last stop first.
Yeah.
Which is
It's fine. Yeah.
this beautiful island here. The water looks nice and calm.
It does,
We were
yeah.
thinking of taking a dip. We might or we may not because
Yeah.
we only have 45 minutes. So
Yeah.
after that we're gonna get hauled to the next spot. But we are going to take you guys around the island, take a look, and maybe even take a dip.
It actually feels way softer than rice. Yeah, it's like flour-like.
It's a flower.
Very fine, very fine. Yeah. Nice.
Get in some sand therapy, sand spa. Ooh. All right,
Nice.
let's go check out the rest of the island. And I think what they have here are restrooms. It's so cute and colorful. It just reminds me of like Capitola. It's like a city in California, or I guess somewhere like in the UK or in St. Martin too. They had like a few of these like little shacks, if you will, but these are restrooms, I think.
One thing about this place is they have so many activities, banana boat, kayaking, snorkeling. There's so much to do, so many activities on WeWanderlustCo beach. So yeah, worth a visit here.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
They also have these really cute, colorful houses.
Yeah.
Their restrooms look cute too.
Yeah.
But I think these are for rental, like
Yeah.
I guess like guest houses where you can possibly camp out on the island.
Stay here for the night, possibly.
Yeah, I kind of peeked in, and there's no bed in there, but there is a fan, and there's like a small space where I guess you could just lay out a mat and.
Or
hang
just
out
for the day.
Yeah.
Just have your stuff stored away. Just kind of rent it for the day.
Yeah.
Possibly, yeah. So if you guys know more than us, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
Kind of help out the other viewers on the channel.
Yeah.
But pretty cool concept. Kind of, I would say, add some vibrancy and color to the beach. Yeah.
Oh, this is cool. Oh, I love
This is so cool. Like a little spot. Yeah. Kind of take a little breather from the heat, from the sun. Very nice. Sit here. Very nice.
Well, that was short-lived.
Yeah. Quick trip on the island. On to the next spot.
It was nice. We had a mini R&R.
Yeah.
Over to the next. We are here at the Dayang Bunting Marble Geoforest Park.
Yes.
This is supposed to be our first stop, but it's our last stop. There's supposed to be a huge body of fresh water after we do a hike on the other side.
Yeah, it's called the Lake of the Pregnant Maiden, which we passed earlier. We shall check that out. Free samples.
Yeah,
Can
do
send
it.
you free samples.
We are ready to explore this geopark.
Yeah.
I think there's a bit of a hike to get to the body of fresh water. So we are going to hike up and pour Waseem.
Yeah, so hiking up bare feet. Because I ended up breaking my flip-flops back at the wet rice beach.
I guess it was
Yeah.
wet and it got your slippers.
Yeah. Kind of sucks to be walking this way. I didn't want to stay back at the boat while everybody was out here.
I know, having
enjoying.
fun. Yeah. Hey.
Yeah. Nice forest sounds.
We love nature sounds.
Yeah.
This is so nice. You know what? I'll say it. I'm so happy that it is not raining today, because actually coming to Langkawi, this is one of the tours that you must book. And I was so sad because every day was passing and it was raining.
Yeah.
And I was telling Waseem, I don't think we're going to be able to do it. But we just took a chance. Yesterday was a bit sunny, so we could kind of foresee today being similar. Check the weather app and stuff. So glad it turned out this way.
We only have an hour left for the trip. So yeah, I don't think it rains in the forecast. Not until we get back. So.
Yeah. Let's enjoy the rest of the park.
Yeah.
Downhill. We've made it to the main recreation area here. There's a whole bunch of cycle boats. You could go kayaking, and you can even take a dip in the freshwater designated area. You can't go beyond that, which is cool. And yeah,
Safety.
just a whole bunch of families here.
Yeah, so you could kayak, paddle boat, two-seater kayaks. You could do a lot of recreation activities.
Although it does cost extra. I'll be putting all the fees and everything, like the extra fees and everything in the blog. So I'll link that down below. You guys could check out the full detail on today.
Yeah, and then we are surrounded by limestone cliffs.
Yeah.
So pretty amazing, just kind of seeing this body of fresh water.
Yeah.
Surrounded by cliffs, protected from the salt, and then once you go out, it's the whole Andaman, was it?
Andaman Sea.
Yeah.
It's the forest is just so dense on here.
Yeah.
Isn't it? That was a wonderful 3 hours around the islands. It was really nice.
It was really nice, yeah.
It was short. I really wish it was longer because it was a beautiful day, and we've been missing this.
And we really liked the islands. Like I would say, really clean water, nice emerald green as they call Malaysian waters. Beautiful sunny day. So imagine kind of coming here during peak season and dry season. I'm pretty sure it's much bluer, just clearer skies. But still, today panned out to be a really productive and good day.
Yeah. I'm so glad we got this island hopping in, or else we're just gonna forego it and then come back when it was peak season. But yeah, I just can't wait to explore more of this beautiful island. So it was a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us and touring some of these little islands around Langkawi. And I'll write a full blog post and leave all the links down below with all the fees and entrance fees and all that stuff. So check that out. But hope you guys enjoyed coming along.
Wherever you go,
don't forget to wander.
And bring your flip-flop.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Next on WeWanderlustCo.
Today we are going on a mangrove tour. We're also going to visit a water theme park and hopefully ending the night over at the most popular night market here in Langkawi.